Hello, I'm Victoria from Alpha Digital Marketing, and I am the trainer for the Business Women in Workshop Facebook for Business. Now, I'm sure there are a few groans there, but I promise you, you will learn lots and lots through this workshop to help Facebook work for your business. As you can imagine, I hear lots of complaints about Facebook not working, from feeling that posts are being hidden, that it's pay to play, or that the platform itself is dead. Well, I'm going to reassure you there because it is still the #1 platform for business growth when you use it properly. So what are we going to be covering in the Facebook for Business workshop? Well, it is absolutely jam-packed. And I try to keep it as up to date as possible because, as we know, there are lots of changes across Facebook which happen very, very quickly and very suddenly with no warning. So we will be talking about the classic page versus the new page profile, as both of those are still in existence. We will be taking a whistle-stop tour of the most important settings that need to be optimized to make sure that your business is as safe as possible. We will be having a very brief conversation about safety measures for your Facebook account. And we're going to be talking about the important statistics that it's important for your business to know. We'll also be talking about recent changes and their significance and how you can combat them or use them to your advantage. We'll be talking about your page basics to make sure that they're optimized and designed in the best way to connect with your audience as possible. We're going to have a brief chat about the algorithm and what happens when you post. And we're also going to be having an in-depth conversation about content planning, content ideas, things to post, different types of media, and how to plan at least a week's worth of content without giving yourself a giant headache. We'll be talking about avoiding the use of negative words. Now, some of these are just everyday words that really don't have a negative connotation, but on Facebook, they're considered in a different way and they can impact our reach and our engagement. So it's really important that we find different ways of saying some of these messages that we want to share with people. We'll be talking about the most effective types of media for engagement, as well as social proof. And we're going to be having a very brief conversation about paid advertising and what it can do for your business without breaking the bank. My workshops are around about 2 hours long. They're jam-packed full of information. You do get the slides and the recording afterwards, so you can go through them in slow time and revisit any bits that you want to check up on. So I hope to see lots of you on there.